The stock market is where investors connect to buy and sell investments, most commonly, stocks, which are shares of ownership in a public company. The term stock market often refers to one of the major stock market indexes. Because it's hard to track every single stock, these indexes include a section of the stock market and their performance is viewed as representative of the entire market. You might see a news headline that says the stock market has moved lower, or that the stock market closed up or down for the day. This means that the stocks within the index have either gained or lost value as a whole. Investors who buy and sell stocks hope to turn a profit through this movement in stock prices. How does the stock market work? The working of stock market's simple. The stock market enables buyers and sellers to negotiate prices and make trades. The stock market works through a network of exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange, or a national stock exchange. Companies list shares of their stock on an exchange through a process called an initial public offering, or IPO. Investors purchase those shares, which allows the company to raise money to grow its business. Investors can then buy and sell these stocks among themselves, and the exchange tracks the supply and demand of each listed stock. Historically, stock trades took place in a physical marketplace. These days, the stock market works electronically, through the internet and through online stockbrokers. Each trade happens on a stock-by-stock basis, but overall stock prices often move in tandem because of news, political events, economic reports and other factors. That's it for this video. Hope you found the information useful. Do hit the like button below. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. And subscribe to our channel. Thank you.